Hello, this is Ron back with another video on the Skydio 2 drone. And, I'm giving this little foreword to my video today. I had my nieces were over for a couple days before the holidays, and we went down to the beach, and, they were running around a lot, and I was using the drone to track them. As you all know, I don't have any electronic skateboards or motorcycles or electric bicycles or anything else like that. The only thing I have at wheels is my car. So they helped me out by, they're like 11 years old, so they're running around like crazy on the beach. So the Skydio, could follow and track them all over the beach. Well, on the video, you see us throwing seashells in the water out of a bucket. What the story behind that is, they came down in the summers and they collected seashells every year when they were little kids, and they had them all over the place down here in the backyard, in the shed, and so on. So I kind of had collected all the nice shells and put them all in a bucket. And I asked them if they wanted them, and they said no. So I said, well, let's go throw them back in the ocean then, and I'll make a little video of it with the Skydio tracking us as we're throwing the shells back in the ocean. So it was a real nice day. It was like 2 days before Christmas. It was in the 50s down here. It was almost 50. It was sunny. Just a perfect day. Beautiful out. We had some kind of late day sun, so it looked real nice. So check out how the Skydio performs tracking the kids. At some point in the video, it's mostly on auto tracking, and I use the controller, not the little what do you call the little wand thing, the beacon. I use the controller, but most of the video is them being tracked automatically. But at some point, I actually fly with the just manually with the controller, and I put it in there. I put a graphic in there telling when I'm actually flying with the flying manually, not with the active track. But let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you thought of it, tracking the kids, and what you thought of the video quality. And just sit back, relax. Get your popcorn and your soda and enjoy it. I think it's about 5 minutes long, and I'm going to be back with a lot more Skydio videos. So just stay tuned to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.